In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Squarespace website, Easy 2021. By the end, you'll know the cleanest way to let clients, teammates, or friends preview your site safely before it goes live. First, open your Squarespace account and head to the website you want to share. This brings you to the site dashboard, where you can manage pages, design, and settings. If you're working with multiple sites, make sure you've selected the right one so you're updating the correct project. Next, look to the left sidebar and open your site's settings. This is where Squarespace keeps important controls that affect your whole site. We're heading to a specific option that controls who can see your website while you're building it. Inside Settings, find and open Site Availability. This page determines whether your site is public, private, or protected. When you want to share a work in progress, the most practical choice is to use a password. It keeps the site hidden from the public and search engines, but still easy for reviewers to access. In the Site Availability screen, select the Password option, then type a password into the field provided. Choose something simple and temporary that you can share easily with your reviewers. Avoid using any sensitive or personal passwords here. This is just a short-term key that unlocks the preview. If you ever need to change it, you can come back to the same setting and update the password at any time. After entering the password, save your changes. Squarespace will apply the new availability setting right away. From this point on, visitors who go to your site will see a password screen. When they enter the password you've created, they'll be able to browse the site normally. To share the site, send your reviewers the site's URL along with the password you just set. If you haven't connected a custom domain yet, you can share your built-in Squarespace address. It works perfectly for previews. A helpful tip is to test the experience yourself by opening a private or incognito window and visiting the URL to confirm you see the password screen and that the password works. When you're ready to launch publicly, return to Site Availability and switch to Public, or simply remove the password. That will make your site accessible to everyone without a prompt. That's it. You've set up a secure, professional way to share your Squarespace